Hey everyone, it's Stephanie Sebbing from Quilt Addicts Anonymous here, popping on to just tell you guys we have new trio zip top kits. These are always a bestseller. They go super fast. This is the first one that we've given you guys made out of canvas. I actually made a bunch out of canvas and cork as teacher gifts for my daughter's teachers at the end of the last school year. They are fabulous. They're great to take with on trips because it's a set of nesting bags and they're super easy to put together. Let's show you them all. So normally what we do is we have alternating fabrics here, but for this one we decided to keep all of them as one. So we have this lovely little set. When you're not using them, they all fit inside each other, so great for storage. And it's just fabulous. When I sent my daughter off to the grandparents for the weekend, all of her medications and things that she needed for her hair products and stuff went in here, and it was plenty, and it was coordinated and adorable. This one we have a really adorable canvas print for the outside, a black zipper, and then a nice beautiful purple lining. These bags are also super simple to make. If you've never done a zipper before, this is a good one to give it a go with because it is pretty simple. You're only talking 2 pieces for the front and back on the outside, 2 pieces for the lining on the inside. We're gonna know how to do a box corner to create the shape, and you're done. This is definitely something that can be done in an afternoon, and then you have a nice giftable project or something that you can use for a weekend trip. We've got kits available at shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. You can check out a tutorial on how to make this over at academy.quiltaddictsanonymous.com. And you can get the pattern over at somanycreationsny.com. This one's super cute. Snap it up before it's gone.